Hi everybody, it's Becky and I'm back. Thanks for stopping by Charlie's Bee today. I sure do appreciate it. And I'm excited that you're here because we're going to talk about some of my recent finds at my local Dollar Tree. And I've got some good ones I'm super excited about. Halloween finds, some finds for Christmas, and then some things just like for general. So we'll take a look at all of them. But first, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support. I appreciate all the wonderful comments. You all are so special to me. And I really would appreciate it if you would give me a like today, so we can help continue to build this brand. And then also, if you could hit that subscribe button so we can keep these videos coming to you. We're getting a lot of requests. A lot of people have just sent me like messages because they know me, and they sent me like text and messages on Facebook, because you can also go find you can find Charlie's Bee on Facebook and like that page and follow along. A lot of things I post there are just like simple crafts or deals, and people really like that. And I've had a lot of requests to do some videos for deals. So I'm going to try to get into that as well, but not today. Today we're going to talk about Dollar Tree and all the fantastic things that I found. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So to start with, getting ready for Halloween, spooky, I found these cute little critters in a package. Can you see these? These glittery spiders. How fun is this? Just if you're having a little get together or doing something fun for the kids, you can just scatter them around like a plate of cookies or something like that. They're just so pretty. They're not like your little plastic black ring spiders that we used to have. These are like fancy spiders, really fancy spiders. So that's a good deal for $1. We just got a little pack of them, and the grandkids have already been into them. They think they're fantastic, so they absolutely love them. Another thing I found that I have already taken apart, I'm so sorry, but I wanted to use the different pieces for a project, maybe a wreath, maybe something else, but it was a sign, and I went ahead and took it apart. Again, I'm sorry. This was the top of the scarecrow, and then this was in the center, and then this was at the bottom. Can you see that? Super cute. And it was cute the way it was, but I just thought that the little strips that held it together were real cheap looking, that kind of things. And they were. And what do you expect for $1? It's super cute. I love the pieces, and I just took them all apart, just pulled them off. They were stapled in the back, and I'm going to put them on something super cute, like either a big wooden sign, or I'm still liking the wreath idea, so I may do that. And I'll let you know a little bit later on exactly how that turns out, if you want to do the same thing, because it's really easy. Nothing that's very hard. In fact, you will rarely see me do anything hard because I just don't do a lot of hard stuff. So I thought these would be super cute, like on a little coffee bar or somewhere, a little nook, and they're just wood, and you can just stand them up. But look at that. Eat, drink, and be scary. I thought that was just super cute. So I picked up a couple of those just for my daughters to use probably in coffee bars, that kind of thing, because they're so cute. And then also, I was telling you the other day about socks, how much we love all the different socks at Dollar Tree. These are super soft, and they're not cloth-like. They're fuzzy, and they're so soft, and they're so cute. Look at these. They have spiders on them. And then these have bats, and they're just cute as they can be. So I picked up some of these to use when I send some stuff to my daughter that doesn't live in town, and then also for my daughters who do live in town. Another thing I got to send to them are these adorable ice cube trays. Look at this. And they're just like that silicone type stuff. Now you could do a lot with these. You don't have to necessarily do ice cubes. Isn't that fun? Look at that. You could put Jell-O in these. You could also do things that are more crafty, like you can make little soaps, or you could make there's all kinds of things. There's just no end to what you could do with it. And I'd love to see some ideas that you guys have. You can make chocolates with them, and just not pour them all the way full, and just have really cute shaped chocolates. So I just think they're adorable, and I hope they're going to enjoy these. They look so much fun. Let's see what else that's Halloween like. Oh, these napkins. I'll show you these briefly. I always, in their care packages that I send to my children, I usually try to include whatever season it is. I try to include napkins, and I find the cutest napkins at Dollar Tree. And for $1, there's usually like 18 in a pack. So I found these that are super cute. You've got your traditional, your Boo, your pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, your candy corns, and all the great colors of the season. And then we have this one that I love also with the spiders and the pumpkin, and also saying boo. And then this one is a little more whimsical-like. It's just really cute. I love it. I think the grandkids are going to love this one. So grab those as well, and I'll be sending those along to them. Also found these towels, and they're so cute. Look at this. They're just like little tea towels like you put in the kitchen, or I guess you could put them in a bathroom even to use like for the holiday or something, because they're pretty thick. They're kind of thick. So look at that. Look at the detail. The witch and the cats. So yeah, I mean, even if you're not going to use them, just to hang them up like maybe over one of those little hangers on the front of your oven, or you can buy those little over the door hangers for like your cabinets and things. This one's also cute. If you've got it, haunt it. Isn't that the cutest? Look at that. And then this one, when witches and black cats, wait, I didn't read that right. Let's see. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. Some of the letters are kind of lighter, and it took me a minute to put it all together, but it's really cute. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. That's cute. So yeah, there's 3 different patterns that I found. I don't know if there are more. If you found some that are different from mine, please leave me a comment and let me know, because I love to go searching for things that you guys find that I haven't found. That's always fun for me. Also, I found oven mitts. These are so cute. And they match the towels, so you can have sets. And then here's the other one. And let's see, that one is the same. I have duplicates because I needed several. And then there's that one. So I've got, I think, these 3. And let me show you what I do with these when I send them in care packages, whether it's to my daughter or to a relative or to a friend. But I'll stick a package of cookie mix inside it, or brownies, and a wooden spoon. And that makes the cutest little addition to a care package, I think. Isn't that sweet? And then you could also roll up a little towel and stick it down in the corner. That would be sweet. Lots of ways you can do that and really make somebody's day. So I found those as well. Okay, I think that's all of the Halloween stuff that I got this time. But I do have some Christmas stuff. I have some Christmas stuff, and I'm super excited about it. I found a lot last time, so I wasn't sure if I'd find anything new because it had been not much time since I had gone the last time. But these are really cute. They're wooden, and they're 2-sided. You could take the sides out and have them for napkin holders, but I have some other ideas. I'm going to paint them, probably do some crafts with my grandkids. I'm going to paint them and come up with something. I'm thinking maybe some little flowers in here, different colored flowers for the holidays. There's Santa. This one's adorable. Look at the snowman. He's so cute. Aren't those sweet? And then I also found the Christmas tree. Again, if you have found one different from what I have found, please comment and let me know so I can look for it at my local Dollar Tree. Okay, so looking around to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, because I feel like I am. Also found these. Dashing Through the Snow. I love the little red trucks. Y'all know that. Aren't these cute? Put these in a little care package with some other fun little things for Christmas, and then maybe decorate it with one of those little holiday ornaments that has the red truck on it, like I found a few weeks ago. I think I did a video that included those. But yeah, I just think they're just super sweet. So I plan on using those in care packages this Christmas. I also found these. I think I told you guys this year I'm going to be wrapping my presents in the brown craft paper, and I'm going to use ribbon and like different types of holiday ornaments to decorate the packages instead of bows. So these are some that I found that I'm just going to paint them and have the grandkids help me paint. The little stockings, and they have the holes already drilled in the top, and I'm just going to get some really small ribbon to loop through there, or maybe even twine. What do you think? Twine, ribbon, both? I don't know. We'll see. But I have those, super cute. Excited about those. And then these actually have their own little hangers. They have like ribbon already. I don't know if that's ribbon. It's really more string-like. It's kind of not really as thick as twine. It's like a string, but they're Christmas trees. And I'm trying to decide how to decorate these. We're gonna paint them, but they actually have those, I think those, are they holes? They're holes through them. So I'm trying to think of a way to decorate them. Maybe small little not pegs, but like little balls, like little decorative balls. Maybe I could put those on there, or just something, maybe even those little like decorative beads that are kind of glass looking or something. I don't know. If you have an idea, let me know, but I think these are precious and will make a great addition to a package. And there's 5 pieces in here. I also found these, and I picked up a couple of packs because I thought they were so cute. They say Mary. Isn't that sweet? And we'll just paint those. And we'll use them in place of a bow. I think that's precious. So that's all I have this time. Oh, wait, one more thing, and that'll be it. Okay, so I love to do gift baskets that are themed. And so I have some friends that I will probably do like a more gourmet kind of gift basket with maybe a nice bottle of wine or something. And sometimes I'll include a book if it's theme oriented. And I found this book at Dollar Tree, and y'all, it is amazing. This is called Calypso Coolers, and it's different cocktails. Is that an adorable? It's hardback. Look at this beautiful jacket on it. And inside, I'm just going to show you real quick because it's got some beautiful pictures, great cocktails, and it's got the recipes in here. Look at this. How pretty is that? I think this is going to be one that I'm going to have trouble giving away. I'm going to want to keep it. Look at this one. This looks like Christmas. Look at that. Does that not scream Christmas? How pretty is that? There's just so many pretty ones in here. And there's just so many. So this book was regularly $16.95. $16.95, and I found it for $1. Wouldn't that be adorable in a gift basket for someone this holiday season? So yeah, that's one of my ideas. I love to do the gift baskets, and then we're going to start doing some giveaways where we, do like some DIYs and give those away, and then also like maybe a box of my favorite things from Dollar Tree, that kind of a giveaway. And as we get closer to the holidays, maybe something that's related to the holidays as well. I hope you're staying well. I hope everybody's safe. Hope you're enjoying life and living it to the fullest. And I hope you'll come back and watch us another time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.